Meghalaya longri Ribhoi district aparlo lakha kep Jirang LAC constituency biarni hat along pini BJP songpen kache toydun a candidate Ria Sangma aphan kepahai ji aphan kepadu si campaign public rally kepado Labangso public rally along Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong hangpen ki chenglok MP Horen Singh Be MLA Bidya Singh Ingleng MLA Rup Singh Teron atum chetong dunsi Meghalaya along ria long BJP sarkar ki chari long ji aphan bangso rally along chetong dunlo Labangso public rally along Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma kaninche laki Assam along ria long kaching thurpen nang an thek long lo laki India Prime Minister Narendra Modi kachirap dokok ajoklo lapen ke Meghalaya along ria long Assam ason kaching thur nang chi polote India Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan dengra BJP aphan pe haidon bosi rada thingno lamjai pon Ulukunchi pen Himari Rongphar Karbi Anglong Live